in this video, we will be discussing time blocking techniques. Time blocking is a time management method that involves breaking up your day into smaller chunks for specific tasks or activities. It's a great way to stay focused, prioritize your work, and manage your time effectively. Having said that, let's explore different time blocking techniques and how to use them to boost your productivity. The Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is the time management technique that involves breaking up your day into 25 minutes work interval followed by a 5-minute break. This technique is great for those who struggle to find motivation to sit for a longer period of time. It helps to break your day into manageable chunks and reduce the feeling of overwhelm. The 90-minute technique. The 90-minute technique is another time management method that involves breaking up your day into 90 minutes of work followed by a 30-minute interval. This technique is great for those who need longer period of time to get into a state of flow. By working in 90-minute interval, you can complete large tasks and projects without feeling burnt out. The rule of 52 and 17. The rule of 52 and 17 is a time management technique that involves working for 52 minutes followed by a 17-minute break. This technique is great for those who want to increase their productivity and creativity. By taking regular breaks, you can refresh your mind and come back to work with a renewed focus. Time blocking with a to-do list. Time blocking with a to-do list is another time management technique that involves breaking up your day into smaller chunks of time and then assigning those work to a to-do list. This technique is great for those who has a lot of tasks and need to prioritize their time effectively. By assigning tasks to specific block of time, you can ensure that you are making progress towards your goals. The 4-1-1 rule. The 4-1-1 rule is a time management technique that involves setting up your day into 4 important tasks, 1 important project, and 1 personal project. This technique is great for those who want to manage their personal as well as professional life. By setting aside time for personal goals, you can avoid burnt out and increase your overall happiness and satisfaction. Time blocking is a great way to improve your overall productivity. Whether you choose the Pomodoro technique, the 90-minute technique, the rule of 52 and 17, time blocking with a to-do list, or the 4-1-1 rule, the key is to find the perfect method for you and make sure you stick with it. By prioritizing your task and breaking your task into manageable chunks, you can achieve your goals and reach your full potential. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you drop your thoughts on the comment section below and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.